pa bang mas gumanda to daily? May confidence pero gusto pang i-level. Hanap ko'y tiwala, hindi lang pagsabi ang girl. Sa mundo ng skincare at beauty dreams, may isang pangalan na lagi nagsishine sa scene. Basta skin and body, alam mo na agad. Pag-alaga ka ni Doc, siguradong safe at legit lahat. Isang araw, bagong hope na naman.
Another day, another surgery, steady ang kamay ni Doc sa laban.
Hi, good morning. Another day, another surgery. So today, we are here in Pilar, Bataan at Mount Samat Medical Center. So today, we are having the cosmetic surgery mission of the Philippine Academy of Aesthetic Surgery. So we are doing this once or twice a year, no? Yung medical mission, cosmetic surgery mission. PAAS is the only society giving this free cosmetic surgery mission. Libre po lahat ito. We do rhinoplasty, yung nose lift, and blepharoplasty, yung upper and lower blepharoplasty, no? Libre po lahat yan. Handog po yan ng aming society sa ating mga kababayan. Kasi alam po ninyo, ang beauty is part po of our mental health, no? So, pag maganda po kayo, nabuboost ang inyong confidence. Diba? So, this is a way of giving back to our community. So, today we'll be having 44 surgeries, no? 38 rhinoplasty and 6 or 8 blepharoplasty. Kasi may mga may humahabol pa na magpa-surgery, no? So, yan po. Sana po matapos namin kaagad. Okay, here is the blepharoplasty room.
Another day, another surgery, steady ang kamay ni Doc sa...
And here is the rhinoplasty room. So, 5 simultaneous surgeries here. Say hi. Yan.
Laban,
Hindi na kailangan magtago sa anino. May sagot sa tanong, may tiwala sa proseso. Basket, skin and body center, oh yeah. Lahat kayang gawin ni Doc Tots Vasquez. Rhinoplasty, skin carobla.
Another room for rhinoplasty. No, we have 4 simultaneous surgeries here. Okay, say hi muna. Yan.
laban,
Hindi na kailangan magtago sa anino. May sagot sa tanong, may tiwala sa proseso. Basket, skin and body center, oh yeah.
So, it's now happening here at the Mount Samat Medical Center. Siyempre, gusto nating pasalamatan the Mayor of Pilar, Bataan, Mayor Carlos Pizarro Jr., and siyempre, ang Vice Chairman of the hospital, ang aming training fellow, Dr. Chili Tisorio, no? So, yan po. Sana po matapos po namin in time. And sana po matuwa yung mga taga-Bataan. And this is entitled, Balik Kabataan, no? So, that's it. Sana maganda lahat. I'm sure, no? That's it. Another day. Another surgery.
Medical